2 litre engine's finally out, and this is what I got. For 200 quid I got this spare head, which is apparently in good condition, 2 spare radiators, 2 inlet manifolds, bit of plumbing, and one 2 litre Pinto engine. And it's got a damage here. Is it that side? I can't remember. Let me see. It's rusty there. Let's have some light. Light. Bring the light. We'll bring the light. So there we go. I reckon a crack on that head there. There we go. Bit of light on it. Looks okay. I don't really need that manifold because it'll fit the one I've got. And I've got one of the I forget what it's called. I'll get these numbers while I'm here, that might be helpful. Numbers and what's that say? JC 29693 I think. Or G, is that a G? That's a G. 29693. Beautiful. So yeah, I'll get that full tear down. Let me tell you, that was heavy, getting that out of my Toyota van to there. I had to lift it down onto this little trolley with wheels. I'm pretty sure I couldn't lift it back up by myself. Motorcraft. And so there we go, there's a number. 6310-3. What's that? Don't know. Let's see what I'm working with. Let's see what I'm working with. Turn it over. Come on, show me a number. There's no numbers. Let's see if we can find something from that then. So I need to get an engine stand. I need to finish and move that 535 because it's really in my way. That's it, really. Let's crack on. Let's get a 2 litre Pinto built. I was chatting with the guy, local race developments guy. We'll pop down and see him. Redline Racing Developments or something like that. And discussed the 2.3 Mustang engine option with him. And he said it's not as simple as you're thinking. They don't marry up quite. You know, they do, but they don't. It's labour and cost and everything. So we're not going to go down that route. We're going to go with a nicely tuned 2 litre Pinto, freshly rebuilt. And that's it. Well, you know, while the engine's on the stand there, I may as well go for everything. And we'll put a nice little cam in it. We'll port the head a bit, and that's it really. He reckons from past experience, looking 115, 120 horsepower. So I'll be happy with that. It's got to be better than the 75 that this little Pinto put out, the 1600, 36 years ago when it was new. So that's it, little update, thank you. Give us a like and subscribe, like this. How do we do it? Like this, buttons, click them, like, subscribe, all that stuff. You know what YouTubers say, do that. Bye bye.